just review meeting actually कारण cabinet जाऊंक ना okay खूब ती आमी हांव चार्ज घेतला पण आजूनी मिनिस्टरांक घरांक मेळूंक नाशिल्लो जस्ट मेळपाक आपयल्लें बाकीचे रुटीन डिस्कशन्स कित्याक कोणाचे उदक येना आनी कितें येना ते डिस्कशन्स हे सगळें जालें.
CM had called for a meeting just to speak issues if there are any, understand what the departmental other issues are. कोडा वेळा काय करून काय मेळना, but just a normal interactive meeting to understand what it is. आता ना election strategy काय ना.
Just informal, we met all of us, all the ministers, and had an informal discussion with the Chief Minister, basically on the Lok Sabha election. All of us to work harder to ensure victory of both the candidates in North and South, and each one discussed the issues that are there and how to take things forward.
It is not specifically for any purpose as such, but obviously since elections are around the corner, we will discuss about elections. No, it was regarding different works, because since elections are around the corner, everybody is concentrating on election. That does not mean we keep all the works in limbo.
Honorable CM has told that he is going to address a press conference jointly with all alliance partners. So that was his discussion, and the strategy to win both the seats and all the four by-elections. Press conference tomorrow morning.